Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Honorable Professor Dr. Mas Hadi Said MPD and fellow students. My name is Lasmawati, and today I'm going to present my final project entitled Fun and Engaging Ways to Teach EFL to Young Learners, Unlocking Language Through Play, Stories, and Motion. This presentation is submitted to fulfill the final semester exam requirement for academic speaking for scientific purpose. Teaching English as foreign language to young learners requires a completely unique approach. Children do not learn through standard grammar drills. They learn through active experiences. Today we will explore fast high-energy method to transform your classroom into their absolute favorite part of the day. Let's begin. The outlines are understanding our audience, total physical response or TPR, gamification, rhythm and music, interactive storytelling, core principle for classroom success, and the last is conclusion and action step. Let me move to next slide. Understanding our audience, the young learner mindset. Before deploying any active strategy, we must understand how children process information. Young learners have an attention span of roughly 5 to 10 minutes. They are naturally bursting. How young children learn best? Number one is short focus. Average attention span lasts roughly 5 to 10 minutes. Number two, high energy. Physical movement is a necessity, not a distraction. Number three, experiential children absorb vocabulary best by doing. And number four, emotional safely learning complete. And then with physical energy, if they feel bored or under pressure to be perfect, they disconnect. Our primary goal is to hook their imagination early, keep them moving safely. Total Physical Response or TPR. Move to learn deploying TPR, Total Physical Learner. Direct links brings English vocabulary directly to physical action. Zero translation bypasses the need for native tongue decoding. Deep retention, motor skill, reinforce memory pathways. Base uses excellent for action verb, preposition, and emotion. Our first foundational pillar is total physical response or TPR. This simply means pairing your target vocabulary directly with a physical action. When teaching the word run, you run in place. When teaching happy, you model a massive smile. This forms an immediate psychological link to the world, completely eliminating the slow middle step for translation. Let me move to next slide. Gamification. Turn lessons into gamified milestones. Flashcard safari. Hiding hidden targeted items across the room. Strategy number 2 is turning your practice passes into games. A child will joyfully repeat a word 50 times if it is tied to game rule. Try running a flashcard safari by hiding vocabulary image around the room. Simon Says Sub-physical execution of active listening cues. Or use classic Simon Says to challenge listening skills. Low-stake focus. Competition entirely on collaborative groups. Repetition, driving 50 plus item reviews seamlessly without fatigue. Keep any competition friendly, light, and focused on rewarding team effort over individual perfection. Let me move to next slide. Rhythm and music, the power song and chant. Natural fluency instills accurate word linking and rhythm. Sticky structures embeds language pattern deep into long-term memory. Energy regulation, upbeat track, rev up energy, low chant, calm it. Predictability, build translation for entering or clearing up. Music is magic for language exercitation. Song and rhythmic chant embed complete sentence pattern into a child's brain without them realizing they are studying it effortlessly. Teach natural pronunciation. Furthermore, music acts as a volume dial. Use high-tempo songs to wake up a tired morning class, and quiet rhythmic chant to transition them into focus. Let me move to next slide. Interactive storytelling. Bring stories into three dimensions. Let's explore interactive storytelling. Visual hooks. Rely heavily on oversized, colorful picture books. Character voice exaggerate tones, expression, and props. Active prediction. Pause frequently to ask, what happened next? Rule immersion. Have students stand up to act out scene physically. Use um, never just read from a page. You must leave the book. Use oversized visual, put on silly hats, and project funny voice for different characters. Pause main sentence to ask prediction. Question like, is the monster big or small? Finally, hand the rules over to the children. Acting shift them from passive observer to active English speaker. Let me move to next slide. To synthesize the strategies, follow these golden structural rules. Keep your verbal core principle for classroom success, the golden rule for teaching children. 1. Keep it simple. Limit spoken interaction to 2 until 3 direct words. Always change your activity pacing or physical layout every 8 minutes to outrun boredom. The 8 minutes limit. Shift activity types frequently to block fatigue. Visual backup. Never say a word without demonstrating it. Prize progress. Reward the learning process rather than perfection. Always display a visual aid or a physical proof to introducing a term. Most importantly, flood your classroom with positive reinforcement to build their confidence. Let me move to next slide. Conclusion and action step empowered through play. Let's connect. Activate bodies to spark growing minds. Eliminate stress to drive confidence speaking. Plant the seed for a lifelong love language. Teaching young learners is never about forcing them to sit completely still to memorize complex grammar charts. It is about steering their boundless energy into purposeful, active language expression. When you bring movement, music, and play into your space, you build an environment where kids truly want to express themselves. Thank you so much for your time today. Stay creative and enjoy your classes. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.